Hello everyone, welcome back to MG Simplified channel. This is episode number 3 of our PostgreSQL database series. In previous video हमने सीखा था select query, where filter, update query, delete query. आज हम सीखेंगे order by clause, ASC, DESC and multi-column sortings. So first of all, we should understand what is order by. Actually, whenever we are executing any query in the database, so whatever result we are getting, there is no guarantee that result will come in this sorted order. So for that sorting things, actually we are using the order by clause. So like in simple word में समझे, like order by का simple meaning है हम लोग डेटा को अरेंज करना, exactly जैसे हम लोग एक्सेल में अरेंज करते हैं, सिमिलर वाइज यहाँ पे भी हम लोग ऑर्डर बाय यूज करके रिजल्ट को अरेंज करते हैं. ASC, DSC, null first and null last. These four key components we will use with the order by clause whenever we will be applying in our query. Let's move to the practical part. We will test everything we just discussed by practicing in the PG admin. So let me show you first the all the employees which we have already inserted here. As you can see that all employee data are there in the table. So now let me execute. This is the as I have already in query, because by writing the queries and all it was taking long time, so I have just already added all this query here, so that just I will execute and I will explain you how it's working actually. So here you can see that sort employee by salary from highest to lowest. Okay, so select employee name, employee salary, employee department. I just want to see these three column from employee. Order by, we are just talking about this employee salary, DSC. So if we are not adding anything here, like if we are not adding anything here, it will default apply the ASC. ASC means ascending order. So lowest salary will come first and then highest salary will come later. Similarly, if we want to see the highest salary to lowest salary, then in that case we will be using DSC with that. So with the order by clause, if you can see here, we are seeing null first, these two records. We will discuss about this, and then you can see that 1,32,000, 1,26,000 and 1,21,000. So whenever we are using this DSC with order by clause, it is giving the result in descending order, right? So and next thing is like why these two nulls are coming on the top. So for that, let me show you this. So this one, as we mentioned, like there are four components. With the order by, we are using key components, we are using ASC, DSC, null last, null first, right? So this null last, null first, this is basically specially designed for the added for the PostgreSQL. You will not find this in SQL. So sort by salary ascending, placing null values salary at the very end. Why it was coming first? Because null is considering highest number, highest value of any other entries actually. That's why it's coming on the top. So if you want to see only highest salary and or in any highest number or any and like in descending order, in that case if we don't want to see null in the first for that particular column, we should use null last like this. So the rest of the query will be same, like select employee name, employee salary from employee, order by employee salary, DSC, and just in last you have to add null last. So if we will use null last, so rest everything will be same, only these null values, these two records will go in last. And the last one is in the order by, we can sort multiple column at a time by using the order by clause. Sort by department, suppose here you can see that sort by department ascending and then salary descending within each department. Like let me execute this. So select employee name, employee department, employee salary from employee, order by employee department. So for first it will sort by employee department and then it will apply this sorting on the employee salary column, and it will only affect when if there is any duplicate department and all, then only it will basically change, because first it will execute like this. Let me show you here first. So as you can see that, so all the departments are basically in sorted order, like in ascending order, like E letter, starting with E letter is comes first, then H, then M, then S, then T. Similarly, if I will be DSC here, as I mentioned, you can see that by executing this much only. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, this much only. You can see that take sales all like the letters starting is coming first, and according like coming rest of the records. So here let me show you that as per this question, sort by department ascending and then by salary descending within each department. So here let me execute this. So you can see that with the engineering, three departments are there, right? Earlier, even this also we can see. So here you can see that these three record, just look at these three. If you see, the salary is not coming in sorted order like 1,10,000, 1,32,000, 1,26,000, right? So if we but department is coming in like ascending order sorted. We want to apply the sorting on employee department and employee salary both. So if we want to sort multiple columns at a time, then we can just use the same script, only after order by we have to pass the column names and their sorting order, sorting type, which type we want to sort, like or either ascending or descending accordingly. If we will not pass anything, default value will be ascending. So let me sort this one. Now you can see that emergency comes first, as earlier it was engineering, and 1,10,000 come here, the employee salary, then 132 and 126, right? The multiple column sorting will be applied only if the records are duplicated. Otherwise, if it is already sorted with this, then applying to other sorting on other columns will not affect if it is not duplicated.